In this video, we're going to be building the Tamiya T3-01 battery case. The item number is 51610. You would use this in the T3-01 tricycle. For my case, I'm going to be using it in the Lunchbox Mini, the SW01 chassis. So let's get started. And let's take out these pieces. So let's start right here. And this is going to be the piece we'll work on. So let's line it up like this, and we're going to put those two connectors, those terminals. And these screws are going to be button heads. Okay. And so this side has this piece. So it's going to go like that. It should look like that. And repeat for this side. Alright, so I had some trouble with that screw hole, and I kind of left this piece out, and I try to screw it in first just to make sure it fit. And it was a little bit small, so I'm pre-drilling it, kind of pre-screwing it. Hopefully will help me get this in there once and for all. Finally. Took a lot more force than I thought it would, but there you go. That's what it should look like. All right. And now we're going to drop these two pieces into here. And then the second one like that. And now we're going to put the ball bearing and the spring behind it. Okay, and now we're going to drop this in there so this flips upside down. So definitely hold on to that, because they may come out if you don't hold it down. And then it should be like this. And I'm going to put 4 screws, and it should be this screw. Okay, there's that. Now we're ready for this piece, and it looks like it's going to be like this. These two Holes are right there. So we're going to need this. We're going to need the spring washer, which is this one right here. That goes in first. And then the regular washer. All right. And this is just going to go in. It doesn't really do anything. And I believe this piece needs to be trimmed off as well. So let me cut those. All right. And this piece is going to be fastened by this screw right here. And again, we're going to put that right here. Hopefully this side will work out easier. Okay. There's that, and then this will go in through here, like that. It'll go in flush, and then going to grab this, and these leads, actual size, should be shaped as shown. And these are going to come together. So here we need to tuck the wires behind there and there, like that, so that it comes out here. And now we can join these two and have those wires everything kind of fits together once you have it all in place. All right, now we need 5 screws to close this up. Okay, there we are. And then let me bring some batteries. All right. So they're going to be positive. You can see there. You can see that. And then this part. So this long side is going to be perpendicular. It's going to fit. When you want to take it out, you just untwist it and it comes right out. Pretty neat design, actually. There we go. And that's the Tamiya T3-01 battery case. And I'll be using this for the Lunchbox Mini, and you can also use it in the T3-01 tricycle. So hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.